Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll learn everything about the present perfect, like when do we use it, how to form sentences and negative, and questions. So, let's start. When do we use it? We use the present perfect in 3 cases. Case number 1, when we talk about something happened in the past, but we don't know the time or we don't want to mention it. For example, he has bought a car. So, we know that he bought a car in the past, but either we don't know the time that he bought the car in, or we don't care about the time. So we use the present perfect. Another example, they have painted the house. So what we know now is that they painted the house in the past, but we don't know the time or we don't care about the time. Case number 2 is that when we talk about something happened in the past and was repeated, it happened more than one time, we use the present perfect. For example, I have taken 3 tests. So if the action of taking the test happened in the past and was repeated more than one time, but we don't know the time or we don't care about the time. Another example, you have changed your job 3 times. So if the action of changing the job happened repeatedly in the past. Case number 3, when we describe something happened in the past and continued happening to the present. For example, she has been a teacher for 3 years. So here, she became a teacher 3 years ago and continued working as a teacher until now. So, we use the present perfect. Another example, they have been in London since 2020. So the action of being in London started in 2020 and continued to the present. And focus here, we can use since and for to talk about the starting point of the action. But focus, there is a difference between for and since. For is followed by length of time, like the whole period of time. For example, a year, 2 years, 3 months. You can say for a year, for 2 years, for 10 years, for 2 months. Since is followed by specific point in time, like since 2000, since last May, since 9 o'clock. So for is used to talk about the length of time, but since a specific point in time. Now, how to form sentences in the present perfect. Forming sentences in the present perfect is simple. We start with the subjects like subject pronouns or noun like I, you, he, she, it, they, we, or any noun, followed by have or has. Have for I, you, we, they, or any plural nouns, and has for he, she, it, or any singular noun. After has and have, we have the past participle. So, for example, if we want to use go, we have go, went, gone. So we take the past participle, gone. I have gone to school. I have gone to school. Or, you have played since the morning. She has studied hard for 2 hours. Or they have washed the car. To form negative in the present perfect, we just add not after have or has. So it will be have not or haven't, has not or hasn't. So these sentences will be, for the first sentence we can say, I have not gone to school. I haven't gone to school. Or you haven't played. Or she hasn't studied hard for 2 hours. Or they haven't washed the car. How to form yes-no questions in the present perfect is even easier. We just put the verb has or have to the beginning of the sentence to form a yes-no question. For example, for a sentence like, she has written 3 letters, take the verb has and put it in the beginning of the sentence. So it will be, has she written 3 letters? The answer will be yes, and the subject she, and the verb has. Yes, she has. If it is negative, it's gonna be no. The subject is she, and the verb is has, and we add not. No, she hasn't. Another example, they have cooked lunch for a week. How to form yes no questions? We take the verb have to the beginning of the sentence. Have they cooked lunch for a week? The answer would be positive, yes, the subject they, and the verb have. Yes, they have. If it is negative, it's going to be no, subject they, and the verb have, and not. No, they haven't. So now, for you, try to change this sentence to I yes no questions. You have cleaned the house. Okay, good. Have you cleaned the house? The answer would be yes, and the subject is gonna be not you, it's gonna be I, and the verb have. Yes, I have. If it is negative, it's gonna be no, I have not. No, I haven't. And the last thing that we have in this lesson is WH question. How to form WH question in the present perfect. How to form WH question in the present perfect. So if you have a sentence like, he has brought his dog. He has brought his dog. First, we need to change it to I yes no question and then add the WH word. For this sentence, we put the verb in the beginning. Has he brought his dog? After that, we add the WH word. Why has he brought his dog? How has he brought his dog? She has fixed her computer. How to form WH question? First, we take the verb to the beginning. Has she fixed her computer? And then we add the WH word in the beginning. Why has she fixed her computer? Or where has she fixed her computer? Or how has she fixed her computer? By this, we finish the lesson. I hope this video was helpful for you, that you understand the present perfect better. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.